Hello guys! Today we're going to talk about this sheet print page and what it does and how it works. So here we can see the first page where we have this information about the company here, over there, and information of the project there, and some options just here. Also in the first page we will have two pictures, one picture address from the internet, and the second one is from the pictures that you have saved in the computer. So you can select what you want. Here, for example, I have the 3D drawings for the project, because when you start the project you can have this drawing in the website, and here when the work is going on you can have you can update the photo as I have here as an example just there. And here we have some buttons to add a new picture and delete the one that we have here. More. I think it look like empty, but it can fill up very fast. The objective of this sheet here is to make the report. So how it works, before anything, before and talk about these buttons there and the options that we have hide just here, we go and talk about the connection with this file here. We're just going to click make report, and we're going to see how it works right away. So I will click just there, and you will see that Excel will start to blink and start to copy all the information of all the materials that we have set up in the tables in the sheet called Entrada and Saída. That will take a while. It's a shame that it's blinking all the time, but that I don't find another way to do it, at least for now. It's working. The only issue is if you have a lot of materials set up, that will take more time. So here you can see successfully done. So we just press OK. So here we have the report done. So we have the first page, and we just talked about it. We have here this page number 2, where we can have the list of all the materials that we can find here in the let me go there, wait a second. Here this is the resume of the material left just there. So this is all the material we have filled up in the table number 1 and 2. Table number 1 is the material that go in the project. Table number 2 is the material used or returned, and this table number 3 is the resume of it. So it will catch all this information. I will just copy and paste just there. Here it's fast because we don't have so much materials. Here we have some examples. Don't take care of the pictures, they are just examples. We can see over there that these pages are exactly the same as that one. Let me click there. That one that we talked in the last videos. So here the thing and how it's working. So now we have this report over there. We can print it, we can save it in PDF if we want to. If you put here print and have an overview, you can see 9 pages. We can see the first page, the page number 2, the page number 3, 4, 5, and all the rest of the materials. If you notice here, this is material delivery, and we don't have the material return, but we can change that. So basically, this is the big options of this sheet here. Now we're going to go through all of it in more details. Before that, I'm going to delete all of this information here. I have just these 2 temporary buttons that I can use to delete all the pictures and delete all the text in the report. So now it's empty and ready for the next one. Before I continue, I know that you don't like to see these buttons in the paper if you make it print. But if you put here overview of the printing view, we don't see the buttons as we can see just there. So now we're going to talk about how it works and what are the options that we have in this sheet. So here, the way it works, it's simple. When you press the button make report, it will come to this page, select all this table there. Now it's thinking about here, right? And put it here in this first page. If you have then here in this example, I have seven elements, but we can have any quantities, of course. And then to catch all the information, they will come to this page there. It will come to this page called material and report, and it will press the buttons here automatically. And when this change here, so when it collect all the information here about the material, put the path or of folders, collect the photos from the folders that it's here. Let me see. Here, this is one of the folders. I just click there, and if I click the other one, here we'll see the rest of the pictures that we have in this folder. So every time, as we saw in the last videos, every time I click in one of those lines here, it will select one of the elements. Look inside the folders, retrieve all the pictures of it and all the information of it. So when you do that, it will collect one by one, click line by line here, collect all the information here, collect all the pictures there, copy all the information of this page or this page or this page here, and then copy paste in this area here, and so on. How it's work regarding the material going in and out? Well, here in the options we have a few options where here we have make a report with one page. That means if we select this first one, it will just select the first page here, just this one. If we select report photo layout material delivery and use page 1 and 2, if I click here, that means it will copy the information of this page here and this page there. We can see here in green, this is material delivery or used here, and here material delivery here and material used here. All right, this is again, and this is an example. Okay, and if you select this report photo layout of delivery material and used in the same page, so if I click just this option here, they will come to that page here, that sheet, and will select that page. And that page here, it's different because instead to use two pages in one page, it will collect information of this element, put the path of the folders there, 6 pictures of the material delivery, and 6 pictures of the material used or return. So in one page we added to all the informations. Okay. So here we can see this little table here. This is the layout of the pictures, and here below are the information regarding the report. So the report, you can just create the report. This is the option that I have selected right now. That means I will create a report and put here in the screen, so you can have a look. Before send to by email, before do it in the PDF and so on. The option number 2 is create the report and put it in paper printing windows. That means you will create the PDF and then they will put it ready to print. And here we have create the report and save the PDF. Here in this button here, we have the last PDF that I create, and here is the folder where you can find all the PDFs that you have created until now. For example, we can just click here because I make several tests and I have a few of them here. So that means we have some examples. You can see here the size of it, more size, more pictures, of course. If we can see here also the last one will be this button here. It will, if I click here, it will open the last PDF created, and we can see here the first page. This is the layout. I will remove this yellow information. This is just for me, not forget some things. Here this is the information of all the elements, and the annex, they are the pictures, the report of the pictures of all the elements that we have. And this is our PDF and ready to go. Let's close this one. Okay, so for example, let's say that we want to create a PDF just in one page. For example, this option that I have here, and select this one, or let's say just create just a PDF now. I just created it and just need to press here. So you can see to select the options and create the PDF, it's quite easy and fast. You don't need to lose so much time, and they will do the work for you. Of course, they will take a little bit time, and more elements you have, more time it will take, because you go through all these 2 pages, go and back and forth, because you need to collect all the information from the folders and copy the pictures from there. So that take a while. If you have, for example, 50 or 100 elements, that will take more time. Here in this example, I have just 7 elements, so that means that will be faster. And all right, so I have here, and again we have here the resume of all our materials, and we can see that it correct. You have collect exactly the information that I want. In the options, I change the option. Let me open the options over there again. I select this third option here. This is where I want the one page will have the 2 informations with pictures delivery and pictures used, and this is exactly what we have. So it correctly managed to catch all the information that we need, and this we can print and output in the PDF, of course. So okay, so we can talk. So now I'm just going to delete all the pictures there with this button, and the text also there. Now it's empty, and this is here to continue. So we talked about the first table here, the second table over there. Now we're going to speak about this one. This is to make a very fast email. Let's say that we want to send this report or this document, or last PDF plus this Excel sheet for somebody or your supervisor, for example. You just need to come here and select the person that you want to send this email. To select one email, you just need to click as this, and I press that there again. I will unselect the email. Here we have the subject already pre-filled, and there's some text over there, and you can just click here. This button says send me by email. If you don't like to open all the time these options, we can just press that button just there, and we can do it just now if you want. But let me just show you that these buttons here are working as well as that those over there. This is exactly the same. This here is open the last PDF. This here is open last PDF. Here open folder, and there open folder. This is exactly the same. just to be more easy for you. If you don't want to open the option port all the time, you just click here or just click there if you have already the PDF done, or if you want to check the last PDF directly, or if you want to send the email here, you click here, and Excel will collect all the preview of this page, and we'll create an email. We'll save the Excel sheet, put the Excel sheet here in this email, so you can see that Outlook just pop up now. And what are the information that we have? We have from who, this is me, and send to me because it was just an example. We can send for anyone you want, your supervisor if you want, for example. Here the subject is the name, the number and the name of the project. In the attachment you have the Excel sheet that was saved just seconds ago, and put it here in Excel, and also the last PDF that you saved with your last report. And then we have here a little text, a very fast text. You can use all the same if you want to. The information of the project will be copy and paste here, and of the company, and the project just there. Also the pictures from the URL website will be copied here in that email. So now if you're happy with this email, you just need to click here, send, and that's it. Save, no, don't need to save it. So here, this page is here. It's a great page where you can collect all the information, make a report of your materials. The only issue is take time if you have a lot of materials, but if you just have a few, it's fast and it's great to have it. I didn't tell you how many pages that we have for the resume. I'm going just to show you here. We have 6 pages here for the resume. More than that, it will not take in consideration if you have more than 700 elements. More than that, it will just have a limit, and we will stop it, but the pictures will continue. Just the resume will have a limit. I will put this information in this page. I will just remove this part here. I will put this information here, then you can print afterward. Okay. And something more that I want to do later on. It's because I think now I'm thinking, and it will be great if it would be possible. If we could, for example, just select which material that we could have in the report, for example, that one, this one, this one, and this one, and just select the report that we want to select the element that we want to make the report of. So I will work on it later on, where I can just select those that I want and put in the report. Then I will update. After the update, I will let you know soon as possible. This page here is done. It's fast. I think you understand how it's work. It's a great tool here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Bye bye.